My name is Gasry Kurup and I am an ACCA pursuant of Lakshya, Kochi. And today I am really happy to be here because for this September session, I had appeared for my performance management examination and I am very glad to say that I have successfully passed with about 80 marks. For a conceptually challenging paper like performance management, the concepts need to be very well clarified. And for this 3 months, our mentor has provided me and my friends with lot of conceptual clarity on things on what we should consider will be asked for the exams and things what we should understand, which is not what would be found in regular textbooks. Also the one-on-one mentoring where me and my friends collectively asked different doubts, which helped in having a collective knowledge, an increased collective knowledge of the concept had helped us regain more insights into what would help me in my professional papers further. Now I have to complete 5 more papers to complete my ACCA journey as an affiliate, and I am really hopeful and I am really confident that the help of all the faculties that I am yet to meet and the mentors who are here in this building with me would help me throughout this journey to have a success in my life.